Hi! English speaking practice is a great way to improve your language skills. Here are the points to find through dialogues.
How to introduce yourself in English. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm from New York, and I'm a huge fan of hiking and exploring the outdoors.
How to tell about daily routine?
So, Alex, on a typical day, I wake up around 7 a.m., have a quick breakfast, and then head to work. After work, I hit the gym, cook dinner, and unwind with a good book.
How to tell about hobbies and interests?
That sounds great, Sarah. I'm really into photography. Capturing moments and landscapes just brings me so much joy.
How to tell about travel experience?
Have you had any memorable travel experiences?
Definitely. Last year, I went backpacking through Europe. The culture, the food, and the people were incredible.
How to ask about favorite movie or book?
How about your favorite movie or book?
I'm a big fan of the Lord of the Rings series. The adventure and world building are unmatched.
How to tell about future plans?
What are your future plans, Alex?
I'm actually considering starting a photography blog. Sharing my work and experiences with others would be amazing. How to ask about cooking or food preferences?
Sarah, do you enjoy cooking?
I do. I love experimenting with different cuisines. Thai food is my favorite to cook.
How to give directions in English?
Imagine you were giving directions to the best coffee shop in town.
Sure, you'll go down 2 blocks, take a left, and it's right across from the park.